Every time you turn your car key and hear that familiar roar, thousands of tiny explosions are happening under the hood. But what exactly makes your car move? In this video, we'll break down how a car engine works, simply, clearly, and step by step. At its core, a car engine converts fuel into motion. Most cars use an internal combustion engine, meaning fuel burns inside the engine itself. That combustion releases energy, which pushes pistons up and down. Those pistons turn a crankshaft, and that rotation eventually turns your car's wheels. The four-stroke cycle now. Let's look closer at what happens inside each cylinder. Almost all gasoline engines use something called the four-stroke cycle. First stroke. The intake stroke. As the piston moves down, the intake valve opens. A mixture of air and fuel is drawn into the cylinder, like taking a breath in. Second stroke. The compression stroke. The valves close, and the piston moves back up, squeezing the air-fuel mixture tightly. Compressing it makes the explosion stronger. Third stroke. The power stroke. Now comes the bang. A spark plug ignites the compressed mixture. The explosion pushes the piston down with great force. This is the moment that actually powers your car. Fourth stroke. The exhaust stroke. Finally, the exhaust valve opens, and the piston moves back up to push out the burned gases through the exhaust pipe. These four strokes happen in milliseconds and repeat hundreds of times per minute in each cylinder. Working together, most engines have 4, 6, or 8 cylinders working together in perfect timing. While one piston is in its power stroke, others are in different stages of the cycle. This overlap keeps the engine running smoothly and continuously. The pistons are connected to a crankshaft, which turns the up and down motion into circular motion. That spinning crankshaft sends power through the transmission, to the driveshaft, and finally to the wheels. Supporting systems. To keep everything running efficiently, several systems work alongside the engine. The cooling system uses coolant and a radiator to prevent overheating. The lubrication system pumps oil through the engine to reduce friction between moving parts. The intake and exhaust systems control the air going in and the gases going out. And the timing system, often driven by a belt or chain, ensures that the valves and pistons move in perfect sync. The modern touch. Today's engines are smarter and cleaner than ever. Computer sensors measure air, fuel, and temperature constantly, adjusting the engine's performance for efficiency and lower emissions. Hybrid and electric technologies are even changing how we think about power altogether. So next time you start your car, remember, beneath your feet, a symphony of engineering turns fuel, air, and sparks into motion. That's how a car engine works.